if you are a student and you find it very difficult to do an incredible presentation in class, then this video is for you. Well, there are some students who are naturally good at presentations, but most of the students literally struggle to do an A-grade presentation in class. And if you are one of them, then don't worry, because today I've come up with 6 simple tips to help you become a great presenter in your academic life. Alright, let's start with tip number 1. Know your topic. Well, before you make a speech or start practicing, make sure that you know your topic or the idea that you're working on very well, so that if you forget something in the middle of your presentation, you can cover that up with your knowledge. Then comes tip number 2. Don't make eye contact. Well, it's more like a trick than a tip. You can use this trick if you didn't get the time to make a speech or practice properly. So in that case, if you make eye contact, then chances are you'll forget your speech and start mumbling. So now the question is where to look at. Just look at the gap between the heads of your audiences from the second last row and move your eyeballs from left to right time to time, so that everyone will think that you're making eye contact with your audiences from the backwards, but you're not really looking at anyone. Then comes tip number 3. Make proper eye contact. Well, if you have done enough practice and feel confident about making eye contact, then do it. Besides, making eye contact makes you look more confident and it helps you to engage your audiences better. Then comes tip number 4. Practice in front of audience. Well, you would see most people suggesting you to practice in front of a mirror, but when you practice in front of a mirror, you feel perfect about yourself, and when you start giving a speech in front of audience, you mess things up, because practicing in front of a mirror and giving a speech in front of a bunch of people are never the same thing. So the next time, try to gather some friends or family members when you practice. Then comes tip number 5. Hold something in your hand. Well, it's a psychological trick to get rid of nervousness. When you hold something in your hand, we feel strength from the inside. So if you feel nervous, just hold something in your hand. It can be a marker or your phone or anything. Then the final one, be confident. Guys, whatever you do in life, you need to be confident about that. Practice. Practice as much as you can. Because for some people, it just takes 10 minutes of practice to do a great presentation. And for some people, even 10 days aren't enough. So identify what level you're at now and practice according to that. And don't forget to smile, because every time you smile, you look more confident and amazing.